Another sad indicator of how badly things are falling apart with local football leadership is this development, where the committee made up of select parish presidents responsible for the selection of the match commissioners for the games in the Red Stripe Premier League. The members of that committee failed to appoint the requisite commissioners for yesterday's round of fixtures because these select parish presidents never get them Christmas money. So they decide to hijack the league. You don't see we die in trial? And look, we are all aware of the money problems of the PLCA and the clubs and the league, etc. But these parish presidents are not satisfied with their frequent overseas trips. They want them Christmas money. We understand that the match commissioners who are unconnected to the parish associations got some of the monies owed to them. But the money run out and the PLCA asked the parish presidents to hold strain. The man them said, no, if they don't get their money, no match commissioners. And you all realize that these are Jamaican football leaders striking against their own Premier League. And these are the same parish presidents and leaders hijacking the Premier League for your patty and a cocoa bread. It's the same man them who vote and decide who does or does not lead Jamaica's football. You see? You see right there? Give me up,